Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve with Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. Lobster in season. Today I'm going to share with you a popular southern Chinese cuisine. It's called Typhoon chef style fried lobster. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. First, release the urine. Then thoroughly wash the lobster. Separate the tail from the head. Then remove the cloth. Clean out the gills. Cut open the tail. This lobster is full of eggs. Cut the lobster into small pieces. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon white pepper and marinate it for 20 minutes. Other ingredients include garlic, ginger, onion, and fermented black bean. Coat a layer of potato starch over the lobster pieces. Deep fry each pieces of lobster for about 1 minute. Add all the ingredients into the wok. Add a couple of hot pepper and fry the ingredients until they are golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Stir fry the lobster in the sauce. Now take the lobster out. Add 1 cup of bread crumb into the wok and start stir fry. When the breadcrumb turn yellow brown, add the lobster into the wok and briefly stir fry. This is a Typhoon style fried lobster, a popular Cantonese cuisine. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.